So here are hands down the three of the most useful features of your iOS 16, 16.2 and onwards. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video we're going to discuss three of the most important features of our iOS 16, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you know, one of the most popular features is of course the lock screen customization. If I just go ahead and long press on my lock screen over here, I'll be simply able to change its wallpapers. I can simply set any other wallpaper right from my lock screen, or if I want I can even just go ahead and long press on the watch icon over here. I can just tap and customize. I can just go and customize a wallpaper. I can add a widget. I can change my screen time code. I can change my font. I can do anything else I wish in order to just change its specific size. If I want to add widgets, I can add some widgets to it as well if I just want to go ahead and do that. And this is one of the best features of the iOS 16, that you can just go ahead and simply customize it right from your home screen. The other feature we basically have on the list is the second one, is the always on display. So if you're aware, only the Android phones had always on display, but now even iOS have always on display. To enable this, all you have to do is just go to the option called settings, and then you want to go to display and brightness, and then you simply want to come to the option called always on display over here, and just make sure to enable it. If you want to show even wallpaper in always on display in a very dimmed background, you can actually enable that, but personally I don't like the wallpaper in always on display, so I'll just turn that off. And I can also turn on notifications if I want to. And finally, the last feature we have is the return of battery percentage. So if you knew, then at least until iOS 15 we didn't have the option to see our battery percentage unless we brought those widgets on our home screen, but that's not the case on iOS 16.2 anymore. All you have to do is open settings and then go to the option called battery, and once you go to battery you'll find the option called battery percentage. Just make sure to turn it on, and boom, you can see our battery percentage at the top of the screen. So these were hands down the three of the most personal favorite features of mine as well of the newest iOS 16. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.